morning sun.
रात 8 बजे विजय विक्रम सिंह को आदि के साथ बहुत मजा आया।
Today I have someone on the podcast who is just one of the most iconic faces of the industry, I would say. He has genuinely shaped many of the things that we view as viewers, that we listen to. And you have most likely heard his voice throughout your lives. If you watch a lot of TV shows, series, if you watch a lot of Big Boss, then you've definitely heard his voice. I'm talking about no other than the iconic Mr. Vijay Vikram Singh. It is such a pleasure to have him on the podcast. It's a milestone for me as a podcaster. One of the best interviews I've ever had. I hope you guys enjoyed this just as much as I did.
Hi guys, hi there. Welcome to another episode. Today I'm with a guest. How can I say this? I've been waiting for such a long time to interview you.
I am extremely sorry about that.
No, it's not your fault. The travel and the schedule and all that come up. And अगर आप उनके Instagram account को follow करते हो, तो you will obviously know that he's going all over the place. This is Mr. Vijay Vikram Singh with me. Nice to meet you, sir.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.
आपको सभी questions बहुत time पहले बना दिए थे. But कल रात को I had a few more questions for him. So I am going to start with the old ones. A lot of people know you for voice acting. But ऐसा कोई hidden talent है जो किसी को पता नहीं अभी तक?
अरे मैं बहुत तबाही नाचता हूँ।
बता दो।
मैं वो इतनी तबाही होता है कि तबाही मच जाती है आसपास। वो कहते हैं ना रॉक द फ्लोर।
हाँ,
तो मैं आई रॉक द फ्लोर लिटरली, और सिर्फ रॉक्स बचते हैं उसके बाद। तो तोड़फोड़ हो जाते हैं।
We know about the voice acting and the podcast and the movie acting, the series acting.
The
और
serious
कुछ-
aspects of it.
Oh, okay.
But you don't know. No, but I love, see, within acting, there's something which is absolutely unexplored.
Hmm.
I'm a natural comedian.
Okay, great.
Natural.
You have a good sense of humor, basically, right?
See, having a good sense of humor is different from doing comedy or being a good comedian.
Elaborate.
आपका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर अच्छा हो सकता है, पर कॉमिक टाइमिंग अच्छी होगी ये जरूरी नहीं। और स्क्रीन पे कॉमेडी करने के लिए कॉमिक टाइमिंग हैज टू बी गुड। सो अब वो कॉमिक टाइमिंग अच्छी है कि नहीं पता नहीं, पर कॉमेडी बड़ी अच्छी होती है, स्क्रिप्टेड कॉमेडी।
Correct.
लेकिन ऐसी इमेज बन गई पिछले 5 साल में कि जज, पुलिस कमिश्नर, आर्मी, फौजी,
Right.
उसके अलावा किसी को मैं किसी दूसरे रोल में दिखता ही नहीं।
And even the mustache. So
Not even the mustache. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं मुस्टाच हटा नहीं सकता क्योंकि मेरी बेटी मुझे घर में नहीं घुसने देगी। My 10-year-old daughter has categorically said कि पापा, the day you shave your mustache, please make alternate arrangements.
Oh my God.
So मतलब आप बीवी से लड़ सकते हो, आप माँ से लड़ सकते हो, आप बेटी से नहीं लड़ सकते।
You're right. Okay.
तो otherwise, I love to experiment. See, when you are an actor, you have to keep experimenting with your looks so that the people who want to cast you also get an idea. अच्छा ये ऐसे भी दिख सकता है।
अभी तो AI use कर सकते हो.
हाँ, that's a good idea. So I'll send you some of my pictures.
Okay, sir.
Please.
It would be my honor to do it.
No, I'll do it. Don't think कि मैं ऐसे पॉडकास्ट में बोल रहा हूँ। मैं बहुत चेप आदमी हूँ, मैं भेज।
Don't worry, sir. अगर नहीं होता तो मैं बोलता था, but it would be my honor.
I'd love to. So that you can experiment with different looks, doing different things. And also 5 साल ही हुए हैं अभी तो एक्टिंग करते हुए, और छोटा सा समय हुआ है. But I'm sure there will come a time when people will recognize the other aspects. एक शायर थे, निदा फाजली,
Okay.
जो कहते थे कि हर आदमी में होते हैं 10-20 आदमी, जिससे भी मिलना हो कई बार मिलना। Basically what it means is that every person has multiple personalities within. So don't judge anyone after the first meeting. If you want to form an opinion about someone, meet them multiple times. Because what they show you is just one aspect of your personality. So मेरे अंदर भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं। मैं चाहता हूँ क्यों निकले।
Okay, आपने कभी कॉमेडी किया है, मतलब Professionally.
Sketch comedy किया है for a channel called Filter Copy.
Oh, I know Filter Copy.
I've done
Everyone knows Filter Copy. Yeah.
three or four sketch comedies, जिसमें से एक था Mafia Don and Engineer Beta. You Google it and watch it. I'll send you the link.
Absolutely.
That is one of my best work till date.
I've never seen your comedic side, so I'm like really excited to.
I'll send you the.
Okay, absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
Because commercially I haven't done it. ओनली स्केच कॉमेडी में उन्होंने यूज किया और बड़ा मजा आया, मुझे बहुत मजा आता है। और दूसरा मुझे जो करना है वो है नेगेटिव साइड को एक्सप्लोर करना है।
Okay.
आई वांट टू प्ले बैड बाय रियली बैड,
Like a villain, like a proper villain.
प्रॉपर,
Okay.
तो वो करना है।
कभी ऑफर आया है ऐसा?
अरे कभी नहीं आया, एक आध बार आया पर वो ऑडिशन ही नहीं क्लिक हुआ।
Okay.
बट आई एम श्योर वो भी होगा।
Absolutely.
सो ये सारी चीजें हैं जो मैं करता रहता हूँ। What people don't know about me, बहुत कम है ऐसा जो लोगों को नहीं पता हो in terms of what I can do
Absolutely. Professionally.
professionally। जैसे अभी तक मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं इंटरव्यू ले सकता हूँ अच्छे से। मुझे मैंने पॉडकास्ट शुरू किया तो समझ में आया, अच्छा मेरे अंदर आई लिसन वेरी वेल, सो
Okay.
इट मेक्स यू अ गुड इंटरव्यूअर। लिसन
Absolutely.
मेरे पॉडकास्ट में my partner, he gives me a script, he gives me a set of questions, and we've done all I think 6 or 7 until now. We've shot actually 10. आज तक मैंने एक भी क्वेश्चन रेफर नहीं किया सर। वो हमेशा मुझे गाली देता है कि तुम मुझसे मेहनत कराते हो,
Oh, okay.
but on the flip side he's always been very happy with the content that he's got.
Very supportive.
No, because he says that whatever I write, he might not ask the same question, but more or less we get the content that we want. That happens because I listen. Good interviews happen when you listen, and out of that listening, you ask questions. That's how it looks like a conversation.
सही बात है.
तो वो साइड अब धीरे धीरे आ रहा है कि हाँ yes I can interview people and I love, I'm liking it also. Most important thing कि आप जो कर रहे हो उसमें मजा आ रहा है. Absolutely. मेरी लाइफ में चीजें ऐसी ही हुई, मुझे कुछ पता चला, मैंने किया, मजा आया और आगे बढ़ा. Right from voicing to acting to training to coaching.
It's been fun all along.
It's been fun. It's been exploration, and from that exploration something has come out.
मैं भी अपना एक इनपुट डालूं सर.
हाँ.
कि अभी तक मुझे पॉडकास्टिंग में रियलाइज जो हुआ है ना, आई थिंक कि बिकॉज there's a light, there's a lot of cameras faced at you, you automatically start you're getting in your comfort zone and just want to like refer to the questions and speak. थोड़े पॉडकास्ट ऐसे किए हैं where I've like completely not prepared. That's my responsibility. But मैंने उनको बताया कि यार like
Not prepared.
but those conversations have also been really good.
Yes.
But अभी क्या होता है कि अभी कैमरा पे रहते हैं तो you automatically feel like referring to them. I don't know.
No, it's always good to have a reference. To
Absolutely.
each their own. There's no set format. यही सही है, यही गलत. You have a question to questionnaire to refer to.
Actually a lot.
What it makes, what it ensures is that it is within a particular framework. It is also important. It is also there's no जो to each their own, as they say.
Absolutely. So आपको तो पता रहेगा मैं Gen Z हूँ.
इसीलिए मुझे डर लग रहा था.
Don't worry, I'll try to match your energy.
Gen Gold versus Gen Bold, as they say in IPL.
Old is gold. But अभी क्या करें ना, हम थोड़े शरीफ पे होते हैं Gen Z वाले,
Right.
उनका भी नाम खराब हो जाता है.
सही है.
I try to not do like I don't even try to speak all those weird words that we make up like, oh, what is that skibbity now?
हैं?
अरे आपको obviously you will not want to, you're not involved in all that, but like it's a bad meme. It's a bad meme. I would not even tell you to check it out. It's not nice. It's very weird. People try to make it funny. Like honestly, my generation will laugh at anything. We will laugh at anything, and that's a proven fact.
Yeah.
There's a YouTube video
Yeah.
of a man slicing bread, thin slice of bread, and takes a knife away. And it's a long video. It's like a 1-2 minute video, just watching the bread. Will it fall? Will it fall? When it falls, people laugh. Ha ha ha. They comment, and
अरे
and millions of views. Millions of. There are accounts that do it every day. Just the same video, by the way. The same video, not even a different piece of bread. Same video, हर रोज post करते हैं. Day 1, day 2, day 365, day 498, whatever. So हम मेरी generation थोड़ी अलग है. अलग, I don't think in a good way. I'm sorry, Gen Z. इसके लिए हमारी generation का सबसे ज़्यादा है short attention span.
Yeah.
ये podcasting के लिए it's not a good thing because our podcasts are long form and हमारा content is normally something that like grows on you. You start the podcast and you listen, you get involved and you get excited. But most people don't listen the entire 1 hour of the podcast. But then you have the very extreme example of reels, very short. But according to you, what do you think is a good like way to appeal to the audience whilst remaining in the podcasting world?
Oh, that's a question that we are also trying to find an answer to.
Right? It's a very matlab.
Yeah.
We don't know.
But yes, there are certain templates that I've realized are not working anymore.
Okay.
One of the templates is having a celebrity on your show. Pehle, having a big celebrity meant that you will get a lot of viewership. And मेरे पास तो मतलब अपना एग्जाम्पल मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे देखे हैं जहाँ पर बड़े बड़े नाम बैठे हैं but they've not got the views because that story has been told multiple times. मैंने किया पंकज त्रिपाठी जी के साथ और उससे पहले किया था छावा के राइटर के साथ. छावा के राइटर के साथ जो किया it had 3 times more views than what I did with पंकज त्रिपाठी. ठीक है. So one format which I am very sure is not working is पहले होता था so having a celebrity is a short way to get success, to get views.
Yeah, of course.
अब वो ऐसा नहीं है. What is getting a lot of views now are things that are relevant to audience, whether it's finance, whether it's health, whether it's astrology. Okay. So if you've got experts on that and you make them talk about things that are relevant to people in their day-to-day lives, those things get views.
Day-to-day life का part I can relate to. Even actually not just podcasting, movies में भी ऐसी ही चीज है कि आप अभी मूवी का नाम पता नहीं चल रहा है, but it's like a normal thing. Someone has not a एकदम बड़ा dream or whatever. It's not like one good movie of not that would be Pathaan or Jawan, right? And there are a couple of movies that show you a very innocent middle class lifestyle. Things are just happening. Some things are funny.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, The Family Man was a bit of a good example of that. Although there was a lot of shooting, guns, violence.
Yeah.
But there was a family side that you got to see of Manoj Bajpayee. And honestly speaking, that was the highlight of the show for me. मैंने भी violence के लिए ज़्यादा देखा नहीं. On matter of fact, I don't remember the violence, but I remember the family part. And बचपन में तो obviously सबको देखना था action, right? But now I've realized most of the audience just wants pure valuable content, not like जी फाड़ के VFX करो, ये करो, वो करो. They want to see value. और podcasting में भी same चीज़ है, हो गई. Like people won't be like, wow, Beer Biceps got who now? Vicky Kaushal on the podcast, right? It was a big thing back in the day. मुझे लगता है कि it was very inaccessible to get celebrities. So कभी TV पे आ जाता है, you really want to know about them. And like what about their life. अभी सब देख लिए. Everyone even knows how Salman Khan's house looks. Everyone knows. We know everything at this point. So it's not an exciting thing. So now I think we have shifted to value.
Yeah.
Value ka thing, right? So how can we make it appealing? No.
It requires research. It requires some hard work. Okay. You have to figure out and find people who can give content that people find relatable. Hypertension, for example, just giving you a small example, is something that stress, hypertension. If you get experts on these topics that people face on a day-to-day basis, अगर आप उन लोगों को लेकर आते हैं, उनकी बातें लोगों को ज्यादा अपील करेंगी. वास्तु क्या चीजें कहाँ प्लेस करनी है. एस्ट्रोलॉजी भी लोगों को बहुत अपील करती है. So things like these that appeal to people on a day-to-day basis. For personal finance is also one thing. But also to be careful that not every Tom, Dick and Harry should come and speak about those topics. आजकल ये भी एक बड़ी समस्या हो गई. Every Tom, Dick and Harry is coming on podcasts and saying nonsense, and these people have zero credibility. आपने आज की तारीख में जितने मीडिया में ऊपर गए हैं, सबको आज कटघरे में खड़ा कर दिया, सबको आज शर्मिंदा कर दिया अपने इस नॉनसेंस की वजह से. सॉरी टू यूज दैट लैंग्वेज, सॉरी टू यूज दैट वर्ड. खुल के ऐसे लोगों को बैन करना चाहिए. These are the people who are making social media a bad place to be in. What is your research? कौन सी रिसर्च है? तुम तो आके कह दोगे कि अरे है ये तो वो वाली बात हो गई कि आप सच जान के भी छुपा रहे हो. कौन सा सच भाई? होता होगा 10 में से 2 लोग अगर ऐसा करते हैं तो हाउ कैन यू से दैट इट इज जनरलाइज्ड, एवरीबॉडी डज दैट? Probably you would have done that to reach this place. But that doesn't mean that you can paint everyone with the same picture, in the same color. ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके कंटेंट से बच के रहना चाहिए. This is so patriarchal, so narcissist, so मतलब कि यार जो भी प्रमोशन हो रहा है वो बूट लिकिंग से हो रहा है और दूसरे तरीके से हो रहा है, साथ में सोने से हो रहा है.
I think it's self-explanatory. I think only that guy thinks he's right, honestly speaking.
नहीं
Like
उनसे पूछना पड़ेगा कि उनकी शहर में जो बहन है या माएँ हैं वो क्या ऐसी ही ऊपर गई हैं, या उनके घर में जो बाप हैं जो भाई हैं वो क्या ऐसे ही ऊपर गए हैं, ये खुद इस तरह से ऊपर गए हैं. शायद ये गए होंगे इसलिए उनको सारी दुनिया ऐसी दिखाई दे रही है.
Maybe. Honestly, it's sad.
It's very sad. जनरलाइज करके आपने ट्रिपलाइज कर दिया और मतलब
Yeah, but fortunately the reel didn't get very good.
I hope
reviews.
it's never
I
gets
hope.
traction.
Like reported or something. But my mom was in the acting industry like a decade back, and even before that decade, she was doing pretty good. Chocolate, a Tamil movie, I think. It was very big in the south. Matter of fact, we had gone to Kerala for a little holiday. The waiter guy couldn't stop shaking his hands because he recognized her. So it was like that. तो ऐसे करके टॉप तक नहीं जाते भाई. थोड़े लोग छोड़ भी देते हैं. You are only speaking for the unethical people. I have a good question for you, sir. Voice artist केस में जाते हैं आपके प्रॉपर फील्ड में. What would you personally think you are all about? Like, is it voice acting? Is it acting? Is it being a comedian? What defines Mr. Vijay Vikram Singh?
Authenticity.
Authenticity.
जो मैं हूँ वो मैं हूँ.
Okay.
If I'm thinking something, I am that person. Okay. Outside also. So if I am sad, you can figure out that I'm sad. If I am happy, you can figure out that I'm happy. If I don't like something, you will know that I don't like something. So authenticity is
What you think is what you are for yourself.
is what is on my face.
Got it.
I might not speak that,
But you will know
get
that.
to know. You get to know. So that is, I think that is my USP, and I love that.
That's amazing. That's amazing. मैं हमेशा मतलब I see in this industry कितने लोग, for example, you have done an MBA, and then you shifted to voice acting. At what point, like, it was such a transition, right, from being अब exactly क्या करते थे? Corporate करते.
So I did my MBA in international business. I started with cement industry, then was doing import financing.
Wow.
Then I was doing sales for media. Okay. And after doing all of that, I switched to voice.
So वो transition मैं जो बोल रहा था, आप at what point आपने खुद को बोला रहेगा कि I don't know if you have gotten this question before, बोला रहेगा कि हाँ अभी मैं proper voice artist हूँ and I'm good at what I do, and if someone calls me tomorrow मैं confidently जाके अपना voice modulate करके जो भी कर सकता हूँ. At what point did you think yes I can give myself that title?
यार इनिशियली ना मैंने ट्रेनिंग करी, तो ट्रेनिंग करने के बाद अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये फॉल्स सेंस ऑफ अकम्प्लिशमेंट आ गया था कि मैं कर सकता. थैंकफुली मैंने उस चीज़ पे एक्शन नहीं लिया. That was, as I said, it was false sense of accomplishment. You only get better with in what you do in the creative field when you start doing it more and more and more. No amount of training can replace the actual hours of work. It's like, practicing in the nets for the longest time, but playing in the middle is a different ballgame altogether. But yeah, 3 years after doing the training and after spending time and understanding the business side of it is when I said, okay, now I have had enough of this. Let me do it as a full-time thing. So 3 years after realizing that I have a good voice and 3 years after starting my training, I quit my job.
Got it.
So 2006-7 में मुझे ये पता चला था कि voicing जैसा कुछ होता है.
Got it.
In 2009 April is when I put in my papers and took up voiceovers as a full time.
2009. That's a long time back.
Yes.
Yeah, I was 2 years old at that time.
I was 32. So basically, I changed my career at the age of 32.
That's like you have come a long way. And, wow. और आपका बिग बॉस का कभी हुआ था?
अगले साल 2010 में. I
Okay.
was fortunate. Thankfully. So, क्योंकि मैं सेल्स बैकग्राउंड से था.
Yeah.
तो एक ही चीज मुझे आती थी अच्छे से, बेचना.
Yeah.
तो मैं खूब दरवाजे खटखटाता था. I used to go to production houses, give my CDs. So in one instance, I went to end the mall and gave my CD. और
CD?
हाँ, उसमें CDs चलती थी. Compact disc.
So it was of your voice.
See, demo CD कहते थे उसे.
That's cool.
Yeah, so I used to give CDs so that people can play it on the PC or on their system and listen to it.
Yeah.
Unlike today when you send links and stuff like that. तो CD देकर आया, बट वो CD देना और दरवाजा खटखटाना काम आ गया. क्यों? क्योंकि उस इंस्टेंस के 4 महीने बाद, so at that time they had both the voices. But 4 महीने बाद, when they were about to start a new season 4, उनको लगा कि यार जो दूसरी वॉइस है उनको चेंज करनी चाहिए. तो उन्होंने अपने डेटाबेस में जितने भी वॉइस आर्टिस्ट के नंबर्स थे या मेल आईडीज थे, सबको मेल किया. और क्योंकि मैं वो सीवी देकर आया था, तो मेरा भी नाम उनके डेटाबेस में था.
Okay.
So I also got a mail saying we are looking for this narrator's voice, second voice on Big Boss. Kindly send your CD. So मैंने दोबारा CD भेजी.
Okay. CD था ना उनके पास?
हाँ, बट वो तो किसी को दिया था ना मैंने.
Okay.
तो उसने नंबर रख लिया, कॉन्टैक्ट रख लिया, CD शायद.
Okay. Got it.
तो CD गया, उसके 2.5 महीने तक कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया.
Okay.
After 2.5 months, suddenly someone called and said, "What are you doing tomorrow?" I said, "Bye. But we are calling from Endemol. You have been shortlisted. You have to come for an audition."
Okay, great.
I said, "For what?" For Big Boss. Oh,
तभी भी बिग बॉस बड़ा नाम था.
बहुत बड़ा नाम था. तो by the time I had given up hope, I तो भूल ही गया था अब क्या है.
हाँ, it was like 2.5 महीने तो
It's too much. But so they called and I went for audition next day. And the very next day, they finalized and called me to the office to discuss commercials. So this is August 2010. 2nd October 2010, I was on the set of Big Boss in Lonavala.
2nd October 2010. You have been doing this for
Now 15 years.
14 and a half, 15 years.
15 years, 18 seasons.
What you know, that is a good thing, but what I'm surprised is Big Boss has been around 15 years because
Big Boss has been around for longer.
longer. Wow.
I joined from 4th season. So there were 3 seasons that had been done previous to my joining.
तो अभी कौन सा सीजन चल रहा है?
18th खत्म हो गया है.
18th
अब आएगा 19th होगा.
Wow. At one point, I don't like understand the entire plot. It doesn't have a plot, or does it?
No.
Okay. But I like last time हमने Big Boss कभी देखा था वो? Like just a year back, I think.
Okay.
Like there was a मैं ज़्यादा तभी बिग बॉस देखता बीच में because traveling बहुत हो रहा था and I was in US, so US में बिग बॉस तो लोग देखते नहीं है and we never did cable TV and all that much. So जब OTT पे आया था, it was I can say Big Boss was like a memory now in my life. I look back at it every evening. We used to sit down. I don't know around what time, but कुछ time पे आता था, right? 8 या 9 o'clock, and we used to just sit down and watch. बहुत memories हो गए. मैंने रील पे बनाया था. It said कुछ नहीं bro, बस Big Boss देख रहा हूँ. And then I showed all the collation that is happening. It is quite a crazy thing to watch. It's a good concept. Like I like it.
See, the concept is beautiful. The concept is human behavior under stress.
Yeah, not just stress. Like they record every aspect of it. Like एक live भी दिखाया था उन लोग ने, जहाँ someone is making दूध पोहा.
हाँ.
My mom saw it. She was like, आदि चल तेरे लिए दूध पोहा बनाती थी.
अरे वाह, चलो you got to eat दूध पोहा.
तब से मैंने कितना दूध पोहा खाया सर, मैं बता नहीं सकता. Okay. So, I mean, that was a weird example, but मैं बस बोल रहा हूँ कि
No, that's how the show affects you.
it affects, but
Subconsciously. आपको पता ही नहीं चला कि आपको दूध पोहा मिलने लगा because of Big Boss.
and I loved it. I started liking दूध पोहा.
See, you started liking दूध पोहा.
I discovered दूध पोहा तभी.
It made you discover a dish. It makes people discover themselves.
Yeah.
So, yeah, all good.
तो मैं ना सर सिंगिंग में मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्ट है. क्लासिकल, हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिक. We have been like searching for a lot of teachers. This year Zoom पे करना है, but we want to do in person. I know that singers do riyaz, they do ragas and all that. वॉइस एक्टिंग की क्या है वो? व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस फॉर वॉइस एक्टिंग?
It's the same.
सेम
It's the same as any performing art. You need to have the basic talent, and then you need to acquire the skill set. You acquire the skill set by practicing. Ronaldo might be the GOAT or Messi, depending on who you like. But both their routines are the same. The talent might be slightly different, although for me they are on the same platform. But their processes are the same. Okay, what is the process? Morning, get up, go for practice. Come back, sleep, go for practice again. It's about honing that skill. So, no matter how much skilled you are, what will stand you apart is how well you hone that skill. Got it? So practice is extremely important for any performing art.
क्या है रूटीन? क्या है?
सिंपल है. आप आवाज पे काम कर रहे हो, आप आवाज से काम कर रहे हो, तो आवाज का जो बेस है, बेस यानी तो द बेसिक ऑन विच द एंटायर वॉइस एंड योर मॉड्यूलेशन,
The voice.
and your pitch and your range stands is your breath. You have to control breathing. To live is another thing, and breathing to produce sound is another. Is an absolutely different skill set. You have to have control on your breath. So daily exercise to have control on your breath, which is pranayama, yoga, अलग-अलग कुछ exercises हैं. Then you need to work on your speech. The mistake that we make is that we think that speaking is something that is God gifted, that comes naturally to us. But the fact of the matter is, as I explained previously with the example of footballers, no matter how naturally gifted you are, you have to work on that talent. So speaking is a natural talent, but you have to work on it to hone that talent. For two reasons. One is because it is important, because that's how you gain mastery and control over it. Secondly, the speaking that you think comes naturally to you is your conversation voice. The conversation voice is driven by emotions. For example, I see a small child. Nobody needs to tell me कि उससे ये मेरा बेटा कैसा है. ये मॉड्यूलेशन किसी ने सिखाया थोड़ी, वो देखते ही मुझे आ जाता. If I see someone in pain, oh my God, how are you? Nobody taught me this modulation. This is a response to a stimulus. So conversational voice is happening in response to a stimulus that you get from outside. And that makes us falsely believe that this is a natural skill set. Whereas when you speak professionally, that emotional stimulus is not there. The only stimulus that you have is your nervousness. And when you are nervous, the first thing that gets affected is your voice. So to overcome that, you need to be in constant practice. So much so that it goes into your subconscious. Speaking goes into your subconscious. When it goes into your subconscious, because when you're nervous, your subconscious mind gets activated. Muscle memory gets activated. तो वो मसल मेमोरी को होन करने के लिए ट्रेनिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट. व्हाट आर दोस ट्रेनिंग? वर्क ऑन योर ब्रेथ, वर्क ऑन योर स्पीच. फॉर एग्जांपल, you need to open up more, right? You are restraining yourself. Your speech is very restrained. ठीक है? You're very conscious when you speak. So उसको खोलने का बड़ा आसान तरीका है. You need to start using your facial muscles more and more.
Okay.
Your articulation happens from this part of your body.
Keep them.
So you have to keep them flexible, and you have to start using them more. So open them up. So these are the small little exercises that one needs to keep doing on a daily basis to hone your speech and to hone your speaking skills, which I do.
How many hours do you do?
20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Then you go off to the side.
And there are certain things that you need to do just before you start your voice. Please pick up. Yeah, really give me. I do this especially on sets. Set as in when I am shooting. Because in front of the mic, you are in control environment.
Yeah.
तो उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क आपको पता है. On the set, the environment is completely alien. You don't know what's happening around. तब मैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करता हूँ. क्योंकि स्टूडियो में तो फिर भी काफी कंट्रोल एनवायरनमेंट होता है, तो जस्ट थोड़ा बहुत ओपन कर लिया. But when I'm on the set, I do a lot of so yeah, so these are the things that everyone must do.
Actually, yeah, because कभी न कभी ना, like it shows even if you're a bit nervous, like कभी कभी अगर आपको गाना भी है तो your voice will be a bit concerned.
Why?
Stage,
I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
When you're nervous, any form of tension in the body constricts the flow of air in the lungs. Constrictor. Okay? And your voice is all about how free flowing the air is from the lungs.
Yeah.
The moment that free flow is hindered or is broken, your voice will get affected. When you get nervous, that free flow of the air from the lungs is affected. And that's why your voice starts.
Yeah. मुझे ना अपने पॉडकास्ट के पहले भी करना चाहिए कभी कभी, because it becomes like I don't know, sometimes like I'm always thinking about the technical aspect कि मैंने ये लिया, is it in focus, as आप बोला था ना आपको इससे पहले, so इस पॉडकास्ट में भी कर सकते रहे.
बिल्कुल करना चाहिए. Open up more. Or help you open up more.
Absolutely, yeah. Any other exercises? I'm very interested in this voice acting ka thing, because this is something I discovered much later.
Voice is also body.
Okay.
Free your body. So even before you do these breathing and these exercises, fluttering of the lips and all, just relax your feet. Relax. Move your shoulders, move your neck. Okay. Open up your spinal cord, all that. Just relax your body. So ये 3-4 चीजें कर लो साथ.
Wow. आप फिलोसफी में ज्यादा बिलीव करते हो?
मैंने पढ़ी नहीं फिलोसफी.
नहीं पढ़ते हो?
मैं पढ़ता हूँ, फिलोसफी नहीं पढ़ी.
Okay.
But I do believe that life is about perspectives. So, the more you know about human emotions, the more you know about thought processes, the more you know about other people, the more broadened your horizon becomes.
Okay.
And more evolved you become in life.
Got it.
Because we tend to see things and see people with unidimensionally. Whereas there are so many dimensions to it. There's so much conditioning to it. For example, if I tell you that your communication skills is not only the way you speak, or the way you speak is so much dependent on your conditioning, you'll be surprised. The way you speak is not your natural speech. It is your conditioned speech. 20, 25 years, if you're 18, so 18 years of conditioning is going behind the way you are speaking. What is that conditioning? That conditioning is the influences that you have had in your life. Influences can be positive and negative. Negative influences like bullying. That affects your speech. That affects your communication skills. Your social structure, that affects your communication skills. For example, someone who's living in, say, a Dharavi kind of an area, he will always have a high-pitched voice.
Okay.
Because
I have noticed, yeah.
Because most of the times they are living in noisy neighborhood, they are talking across the road, right? So their pitch will always be on the higher side. Whereas someone who has been bullied a lot might have a high pitch or a low pitch voice. Low pitch, when their confidence really gets affected. So they will start speaking very, very softly. Okay. High pitch would be, they have been bullied, they are broken, they are shattered, they are hurt, but they are trying to mask it with their pitch. Now, the same happens. Communication skill is a two-way traffic.
Yeah.
the way you speak and the way you listen.
Yeah.
Right? So the way you speak is affected by your conditioning. The way you listen also is affected by your conditioning. So if your mother says something to me and I look at her, what she's saying, I'm interpreting it through my own conditioning. For example, she's a normal lady. For example, if she had 20 tattoos on her arms and she probably wore something very Western, so whatever she said will come to me with my own conditioning, with my own biases. So I listen to her with my bias. So my communication is getting affected. Because my listening skill is also getting affected by my condition.
How seriously you take someone changes, how you reply to them changes.
Yeah, absolutely. It changes.
अगर आपके सामने अभी कोई मतलब एकदम आ करके ऐसा बात करेगा, how will you reply to them?
You will probably just FO, or you'll switch off.
Okay.
You'll immediately switch off. But if you've trained yourself a little bit, you'll probably wait.
Okay.
And trying to understand why that person is behaving the way he or she is behaving. Probably that's not their normal behavior. They're coming out of something terrible and they're just reacting to what has happened already 30 minutes back.
Okay.
So if you just let them calm down for 5 minutes, probably you'll get to see another side of them.
Okay.
Which will give you a better sense of who they are as a person.
But अगर एकदम short incident रहा तो आप
Judge करना बहुत
difficult है.
Judge करना is the problem. Problem is we start judging people. We should not. Should listen. Should not judge. वो क्योंकि judge करने लगते हैं तो हमारी conditioning आ जाती है. The moment we stop judging people, the way we see people changes.
Okay.
And the moment that happens, the way we respond and react to them also changes. Yeah. Someone comes and abuses you right now. Your immediate reaction would be probably to slap them. But if someone comes and tells you that, that person just lost his parents in an accident, he's very, very angry at the system and he's just abusing people left, right, and center, then even if he comes and abuses you, you will have empathy towards the person. Will feel probably poor man has had a bad day, let him go. Or if someone comes and abuses you and says nastiest things, and you know that that person is unstable mentally, will you respond violently?
No.
You just let them pass.
Because for him, it's no.
It's no.
For him, he's not angry. For him, he's just...
And you also know that he's not in his senses, so he doesn't mean what he said. So that, that understanding of the background, not judging, letting yourself, holding yourself back for some time so that you can understand that person better, helps you improve your communication skills.
Cool. Are these things that you have taught yourself, or people have told you this over the course?
It's a mix of a lot of things. It's a mix of reading a lot, observing people. Acting training is helping a lot in this.
Okay. How so?
Acting training is all about understanding yourself.
Okay.
When you are in that journey of understanding yourself, you also are taught what are the things that are stopping you from understanding yourself.
They teach you like the...
They're there. So it's a very spiritual, it's a very spiritual teaching, I would say. And that's why I keep suggesting people, whether you want to act or not, go for acting workshop for 15 days.
Get to know yourself better.
Because as an actor, you need to have awareness about yourself.
Okay.
Because if you have awareness, then only you know, okay, this is a scene where I'm supposed to be angry. But this is how I get angry. This is how I am when I am angry. But this character would not be angry in this way. So let me take it in a different route. So that awareness is very, very important for an actor.
Oh, that's... So, a part of, let's say, I'm not going to say completely maturity, but like a part of your understanding as a person, like someone says you're a very समझदार इंसान हो, आपके एक्टिंग की ट्रेनिंग की वजह से आया.
Some of, yeah, a lot of part of it, yes. I have started understanding myself and human behavior more after my acting workshops.
Wow.
And I try and make sure that I at least attend one workshop every year.
I would say for someone who hasn't done any workshops, for them they would just be how to act, how to cry on camera or something like that. मुझे पता नहीं था
No.
teaches you how to do it.
Yeah, people have this misconception that acting training में वो बताते हैं कि रोना कैसे है, हंसना कैसे नहीं. उस आपको awareness देते हैं. They give you a lot of awareness of your emotions and which emotions to tap to get what kind of reaction.
Wow.
Yeah.
I had a question about you.
Yeah.
Actually, like, okay. आपका voice हमेशा इतना, because I find your voice very interesting. It's like very authoritative. It commands, but it also has like a gentleness to it. So, is it just your normal way of speaking and you have just worked on this over the years, or have you changed your voice completely?
I have changed my voice. I have changed the way I speak.
Okay.
Of course, the basic skill set was there.
Yeah.
So the basic raw material was there. There was a base already in the voice. But then I worked on my diction, especially English. Then I worked on the way I emote through my voice, on my modulation. So yeah, it's a mix of both.
Okay. So आपने वो learn किया, and now even like normally when you speak, you have like a very toned way of.
And I try and get away from that also time and again.
Okay.
I try to break away from that also.
आप पहले कैसे बात करते थे?
मैं जनरली ऐसी ही बात करता था, बट अब मैं बीच में ट्राई एंड ब्रेक अवे एंड टॉक टू स्पेशली माय वाइफ, लाइक आओ बीवी कैसी हो भैया,
Okay.
सब ठीक है कि नहीं है, आ गए हम, देखो तुम्हारा खून पीने के लिए.
ये भी मॉड्यूलेट कर रहा हो लगता है आप.
नहीं, ये हमारा वो अंदाज है जो हम कानपुर में जब रहते थे,
Okay.
तो ऐसी ही बात करते थे.
वाह.
तो ये दिस इज मोर फ्री.
हाँ.
There is no thought at the back of my mind that I should sound like this.
Okay.
जब हम ऐसे बात करते हैं तो हम बहुत फ्री होते हैं, बड़ा मजा आता है.
करो फिर बात.
हाँ, तो ऐसी ही बात करेंगे. हमें बहुत मजा आता है, ऐसी कोई दिक्कत थोड़ी है.
हमें बहुत मजा आ रहा है अलग तरीके से बात करने में. आप कौन से पॉडकास्ट देखते हैं?
मैं सौरभ द्विवेदी को बहुत फॉलो करता हूँ, मैं उनका पॉडकास्ट देखता हूँ. मैं 3 ताल देखता हूँ. आज तक का एक आता है 3 ताल, and love watching that. But yeah, these are the two. Otherwise, जो आ जाए.
Yeah, right.
But Saurabh Dwivedi is someone that I love to watch.
So
You can pay to watch.
that's good. That's good. So now, I hope this has been an interesting conversation.
So,
नहीं, सच में बता सकते हो.
मजा आया.
मजा नहीं आया तो भी बता.
अलग छे.
I want अलग है obviously because I am like more of a ऐसी guy.
हाँ.
थोड़ा इंसान.
और वो ऐसे ही कैजुअल चीजें ही ठीक लगती हैं, मतलब फॉर्मल तो टीवी पे लोग कर ही रहे हैं इंटरव्यू.
मुझे वो I want to avoid that as much as possible. सर मैं थक गया हूँ. मैं एक बार, क्योंकि सच में बताऊँ कैमरा वालों को कि मैं एक बार सुमंत और एक जो पॉडकास्ट हुआ था ना, इनको बता दिया सर को ऑलरेडी. आई टुक इट वंस एंड उनके घर पे किया था. स्टिल लाइटिंग एवरीथिंग वाज गुड. ही हैज अ ब्यूटीफुल हाउस. और वहां हम लोग ने शूट किया था और फुटेज उन्हें रिकॉर्डेड द फर्स्ट 2 minutes ऑन हिज साइड. मेरे पास ऑडियो है बाय द वे अभी तक. I played and I listened to. We talked about different things. तभी I don't even know how to explain it. That was a proper conversation. And जो हम लोग ने उसके बाद सर ने बोला कि no worries, मतलब he was disappointed in me. Yeah, I was disappointed. Like कभी हुआ नहीं है मेरे साथ. And after that I went. I said to sir, I'm so sorry. We'll try again. The fact that he, by the way, said that we can try again was like a big relief for me. I was so touched by it, honestly speaking. मैं बता ही नहीं सकता आपको. And then we got to do in a proper, मतलब तभी मैं स्टूडियो वीडियो रेंट नहीं करता था, तभी मेरा ऐसा नहीं था, बट अभी करते हैं. तभी रेडियो निशा के ऑफिस में बुलाया. I was like very रेडियो का. तभी मुझे थोड़े टाइम के लिए इंटर्नशिप भी मिली थी उधर because of Sumanto.
nice.
He had put in a word for me. मैं कर पाया, but the college and school and all that got in the way, so I couldn't finish a long time. अभी देखते हैं क्या होएगा मेरे फ्यूचर का, but it was a very fun, and I'm honestly speaking, I would have to mention this. Sumanto ji is like a very, he's taught me a lot personally as well, and he has spoken very greatly about me to some people as well, which I feel like is I got to know you because of him. So वैसे मैं बोल रहा था कि इसके लिए मैं कैमरा चेक कर रहा था, मैं कहानी में गया. But it is that type of thing. अभी हम कहाँ थे मैं भूल गया. कहाँ थे हम सर?
तुमने कहा था कॉन्वर्सेशन में मजा आया.
कॉन्वर्सेशन में बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली मैं कितनी भी बार अपना फुटेज चेक करता हूँ ना एक बार शूट करने के बाद, आई एम जस्ट लाइक वाओ, आई कुड हैव जस्ट सीन दिस ऑन एनडीटीवी एंड इट वुड नॉट बीन एनी डिफरेंट. आई समटाइम्स मैं जाके देखता हूँ कि अरे यार आई डिड इट अगेन. मतलब आई लुक अच्छा कैसे हो सर ऐसे करके बात करता हूँ. आई फील स्कैर्ड लाइक आई डिडंट मीन टू एक्ट लाइक दिस. आई वांटेड टू बी अ बिट opened up, but not that I'm that experienced honestly to be that opened up, but I try to inculcate that as a part of it. I'm thinking of dynamic ways.
So, absolutely.
That's what's important for me to ask the guests also. Like, have you had fun and all that in the podcast and all that?
मैं देखूँ कितना इन्वॉल्व हुआ. मैं तो वो वीडियो कितना दिखाए मुझे यार. अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म.
मुझे थोड़ा है आपके साथ और काम सर. एक रील बनाना है आपके साथ. बहुत मजा आएगा. बहुत मजा आएगा. अच्छा आपकी प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं सर. बिकॉज स्पेशल ऑप्स आई थिंक द फर्स्ट टाइम आई सॉ यू विदाउट नोइंग इट वाज यू. लाइक आई सॉ यू ऑब्वियसली. I might have even seen your name in the credits, पर मुझे पता नहीं था बिग बॉस के वो नैरेटर. बट वो मिसकंसेप्शन बहुत टाइम पहले क्लियर आउट हो गए. ओके बेसिकली ही इज नॉट बिग बॉस. He's still a cool person, by the way. But he doesn't do the main Big Boss का talking का thing. He narrates the sequences and audience के सामने जो बताना है, that he does. Okay, fine. Now that we have cleared that out. वैसे भी बहुत पॉडकास्ट में किया पर मुझे अपने ऑडियंस को बताना है because a lot of people say, oh, Big Boss वाले, Big Boss. I'm like, yes, not exactly.
Second voice, yes.
But आपके दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट्स ने भी मुझे बहुत इंट्रिग किया है. Can an actor be a voice actor?
Actor is essentially a voice actor. It's easy for. See, there's one misconception that actor naturally voice actor है, voice actor naturally actor. ये myth है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. दोनों अलग अलग स्किल सेट हैं जो एक जगह पे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं. तो होता है यूनिवर्सल सेट एंड सबसेट्स. तो वो छोटे से पार्ट में इंटरसेक्ट करता है. But having said that, if you are an actor, you can be a voice actor, but you have to train yourself into that art.
God.
If you are a voice actor, you can be an actor, but you have to train in that art form. बहुत जरूरी है समझना लोगों के लिए. ऐसा ना हो कि मैं वॉइस एक्टर हूँ तो अब मैं एक्टर भी हूँ. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. कितने ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं जो अपनी ही डबिंग के लिए आते हैं और घंटों नहीं कर पाते. डबिंग इज अ डिफरेंट बीस्ट ऑलटुगेदर. और कितने ऐसे वॉइस एक्टर्स को मैं जानता हूँ जिनको कैमरे के सामने रख दिया जाता है, सडनली दे फ्रीज. वॉइस एक्टिंग में एक सबसे बड़ा जो डिफरेंस है ना, वॉइस एक्टिंग इज हैपनिंग थ्रू पेपर. Acting is happening through your memory.
Then there's so much more to now add. Now more than your voice, you have to control every aspect of your body. So it's आपके लिए कैसा था? I'm really intrigued because first it was voice acting. After that, I'm acting तक गए.
From being a voice actor, and
right, you kind of added it on.
कि I can act also happened gradual. And once I realized that okay, this is an art form that needs a different kind of training. And different kind of skill set and more involvement, I got sucked into it and I started attending workshops and I started thinking, using my mind more into acting than I was earlier.
आपका पहला प्रोजेक्ट क्या था? Family on was it? Yeah, Special Ops is a different
it's a different franchise.
मेरे लिए वो ये होता है कभी कभी कि I don't know, like I guess you were the common link, that's why they seem like. So, sir, एक लास्ट बता देता हूँ. What is the best project in your life? किसमें सबसे ज्यादा मजा है?
देखो बहुत सारे हैं, बट मैं एक बहुत ही
वो होता है ना कि you think about it and you start getting emotional. Special Ops.
Why? Because I stayed 40 days in Mauritius.
Okay.
And 17 days in Ukraine.
Okay.
For Special Ops. Unfortunately, we went to shoot in Mauritius. It was a start to end schedule. But we could shoot only 2 days, and then pandemic happened, and we were all locked in the hotel.
Yeah.
So 40 days we were locked in. 38 days we were locked in the hotel in Mauritius.
Then we were locked in the
hotel. Lockdown ho gaya.
Oh, that was crazy timing. I was also locked in a hotel. I remember during lockdown.
So we were locked, and we were crew of I think around 100 people.
Okay.
So great fun. We used to play cricket and stuff. KK Menon, Veeraj, everyone was playing cricket. We were all playing.
You didn't get to do any acting at that time. Schedule is used.
Then we came back. Then there was a 3 months break. Break in the sense they were trying to figure out alternate locations. And then suddenly one day I got a call that 15 years from now you're flying to Ukraine. Wow. Eastern Europe. Zaega. 17 days I stayed in Ukraine.
That's
4 months before the bombings happened. So it was one of the most beautiful places that I've ever been to. Mind you, I've been to Spain, UK, France, South Africa, Greece, Mauritius, but I'm taking the liberty of saying that it was still one of the most beautiful places because the people were so beautiful, the place was so beautiful. Ukraine at that time also was one of the poorest countries in Europe, but still it has had its own charm. It's heartbreaking to see it is still heartbreaking to see what's happening out there.
it has been happening for quite a while.
And it'll take no less than 100 years for it to come back to where it was. So yes, special ops is fun memory that I always.
I love special ops. Well, this was fun. Honestly speaking, if you both had more time, I to sketch leta tha, but people don't like watching extra long podcasts.
Yeah.
This was really fun. This was very insightful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
And sincere apologies for the delay.
कोई बात नहीं sir.
But
कोई बात नहीं.
I am sure you will understand.
I understand. Schedule तो ऐसा होता है actor की life में.
कि
कि even you can't predict what comes up.
In fact, everything that I'm doing, like for example, 5 days back, I got a call that we are doing something. You want to be as a speaker
Yeah.
in Indore. So if I'd committed something to someone 7 days back for 21st or 22nd or 23rd, that stands cancelled now.
नहीं, but मैं समझता हूँ. मैं absolutely समझ सकता हूँ.
So yeah, but thank you very much. बहुत मजा
Thank
आया.
you, sir.
क्या रील बनानी? We रील तो बनाने हैं.
2 minutes लगेगा बस. Oh yeah, that was Mr. Vijay Vikram Singh on an old show. Okay, great.